Mother's Day is observed each year on the second Sunday of May. This year, it happens on Sunday, May 12, 2024. International Mother's Day, often known as Mother's Day, is a global holiday dedicated to showing love, respect, and thanks to mothers and mother figures. A mother is a devoted, caring, and loving somebody who has been with us since childhood. Mothers are the greatest blessings of God, and we should constantly appreciate them. Mother's Day is celebrated in several countries, including India and the United States, in May. Mother's Day is an official holiday in the United States. On this day, individuals express their love and appreciation for their moms in many ways. Some individuals help their moms with regular homework, while others take their mothers out to spend quality time.